Hello all traders, hope all is fine with you and doing well. As I promised earlier, we're gonna review all the trades that we have taken the week of Monday, March 31st till Friday, 4th of April. So starting from Monday 31st, these are the trades that I have taken here. As you see, the market overall was in downtrend when the New York market opened, and so this wave of downtrend was seen earlier. So I was waiting for a deeper pullback here, and around 10 o'clock when the price reached this level of resistance here, I took sell short positions here on Nasdaq, and also at the same time this wave of downtrend was taken on Dow Jones and this one on S&P 500, and you see here entry and exits, and this was the result of these trades. 3 sell short positions were taken with 100% win rate, and the average winning trades of 340 and largest winning trades of 660. When the win rate is 100%, we cannot calculate the profit factor properly, and the Ninja Trader shows that as 99. So on Tuesday, 1st of the April, when I came back again, the price was in downtrend, and you can see here that the price started to retest the previous level and got rejected. So around 10:15, this wave of downtrend here was taken with sell short positions with setup T. You see this wave of downtrend here on this channel which was taken, and also here another sell short positions, and also this downtrend channel was taken with sell short position setup T. And since the price was reaching this area of the support and the buyers came back, I took another long position also here on Dow Jones. So the result of these trades were also all positive. 4 positions, 1 long position and 3 sell short positions with 100% win rate, and the average winning trades of 262 and the largest winning trade of 595. On Wednesday, 2nd of April, the price initially went down, and then the buyers came back and pushed the price higher, and it passed the previous day close and highs. My plan of action was to wait for the pullback to be completed and take long position here. So this is the area of the support that I waited and entered here long positions. Here 1 position long and another long position here was taken, and at the same time here on Dow Jones, as you see here, we reached this area of the support, and I took another long position here with setup C. And on S&P 500 also, the price reached this area and got rejected, and this wave of uptrend was taken here with setup C and T, and the result of all these 5 long trades were positive with average winning trades of 350 and the largest winning trade of $675. On Thursday, 3rd of April, the market was in downtrend, but again it reached an important area of support and point of control. So I waited for the pullback and rejection of price and took here long position here, as you see in this area with setup B on Nasdaq, also on Dow Jones another setup B, and S&P 500. So the result of these long positions were also positive with 75% win rate and average win to loss ratio of 12, which resulted in the largest winning trade of $1,085 and the largest losing trade of $49. On Friday, April 4th, the market was in very strong downtrend. So the plan of action was to wait for this to have a pullback, and when the price come and find a resistance level, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend, and that happened around this area that you see. The price got rejected, and this wave of downtrend here that was also volatile, wide range was taken here with sell short position with setup T, and also this channel of downtrend was taken with sell short position, and also here was taken with another sell short position, and these positions were closed with profit in the upper area of channel, and the Dow Jones with a small loss. And again I took another long position here with setup B, which was closed with profit. So this shows the statistics of the trade on Friday. 3 sell short positions with 66% win rate and 1 long position with 100% win rate with the average win to loss ratio of 1.7. The largest winning trade was $610 and the largest losing trade was $319. So that's the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD pro forma accounts, these are the list of trades that were taken on NASDAQ, S&P 500, and also Dow Jones CFDs. And these are profit and loss from all these trades during the week. So with all these trades, we reached a total balance of $98.26 with the profit factor of 1.09. So from total number of 547 trades taken so far, we had 427 winners. That resulted in 78% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the second stage of the account, which was growing consistently till beginning of February, that we started to receive announcements about the trade wars on a daily basis without any schedules. Lots of tweets and news were released constantly, especially during the New York market session, and slowly all these tariffs were implemented. And at the beginning we reduced the lot size, but when the market became very trendy and smooth for 2 days, we increased the lot size. But later the market volatility suddenly increased and we had to hedge some of the positions, and this shows the hedging positions, but still we were able to manage the closed position equities below the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the program, and we are now only $100 away to reach the 4% targets on this account and pass the challenge. So as I mentioned earlier, before these announcements around the February, the market was moving very smoothly, and all uptrends and downtrend patterns and moves were smooth and highly predictable within the average daily range. But you can see here that suddenly the market range on a daily basis changed, and only we had a few good days with low volatility and nice trendy patterns, and here we made some money during this area, and the rest of market was choppy, as you see here in this area, with wide range and volatility and quick reversals, constantly changing direction here and here and here and also here. And none of these were predictable and scheduled in advance before. If there was any Fed announcements or important economic release in this area, we know in advance the time, and based on our trading plan and recommendation to students, we avoid trading during these news release announcements. But we don't know exact date of this news release. That created a lot of uncertainty and confusion for the investors and the price change in the market, and makes it extremely difficult to trade this market. And our recommendation for the novice trader is not to trade during this period or when the volatility is high during the news announcement or FOMC meeting reports. And in the past 2 days we had even 5 to 6% daily range, which is 10 times more than the average range of S&P 500, and this is very similar to the COVID situation that we had before. And you can see similar pattern again during the COVID and uncertainty, with wide daily range and intra and daily fast reversals that happened during this period. So our plan of action for the next week is, since this volatility is extremely high, we wait for the price to find a support. When it reaches around this area, that can be rejected, or it may pass and reach this area of the support. And if the trade wars continues and escalates, it may reach this area of the support and reach the low of the last year. So if the market tests this level and we see a well-established uptrend again, usually the volatility is low and it can be safely traded up to this area. And again, if it passed this level, again there's a windows of opportunity to trade an uptrend pattern in this area or here in this area. And between this area we will be cautious to take downtrends unless it's very smooth and trendy. And also this area can be safely traded if it's a smooth and trendy. So based on our first filter, which is volatility filter, and then the trendiness, we make decision to whether trade or use a small lot size or larger lot size in order to pass this program and our personal Forex CFD accounts. And I keep you updated on a weekly basis. So hope these trades taken by the PAAT system on the futures and the CFD pro forma accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also great weekend.